दो हाथ में ऐसे कचौड़ी लेके भागता हुआ आ रहा है।
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that
4
last.
years ago, one idea became a mission, and that mission became Skill in a Box. Today, we are not just celebrating a milestone, we are celebrating the person who started it all. From the people who believe in your vision and the people who believe in you, here's something that we've been holding on to. Happy 4, Skill in a Box, and Prateek. Surprise!
Prateek, huge congratulations on 4 years of Skill in a Box. Time really does fly. I still remember the early days of your journey, and it's been genuinely inspiring to watch your idea grow from a bold vision into a company making a real impact. I'm just so proud of how far you've come, and so wishing you continued success, bigger milestones, and many more reasons to celebrate. All the best, good luck, lots of luck.
Hi Prateek, congratulations for having completed 4 years at Skill in a Box. Hasn't it been an amazing journey? I still remember the day when you called me and talked to me about this idea of Skill in a Box. Of course, an idea that changed colors, but I believe it was all for good. But today, I'm proud to be associated as an investor, because that idea is today a brand that is actually making real impact and providing real skills. So cheers for many more milestones to come. All the best.
Hey Prateek, many congratulations to Skill and Box for completing 4 years, and of course the journey has been tremendous. You've put in so much hard work. Everybody in the team has put in so much hard work. So yeah, many congratulations, and onwards and upwards, or I don't know if they say upwards and onwards, but whatever it is, like in the right direction, of course.
For you, Prateek, for everyone. आप मेरे लिए एक छोटे भाई की तरह हो मेरे. Congratulations to the whole SIB team for completing 4 years.
Congratulations Bhayu aka Prateek and everybody at Skill in a Box for completing 4 wonderful years. I am so proud of you and the entire team. I have actually seen the hard work, tears, passion and the perseverance that has gone into building SIB and making it reach to where it is. Kudos to the entire team for working towards women empowerment and for spreading smiles across everybody's face. Ek kadam aage is not actually your motto, but it is something that you actually live by.
हेलो प्रतीक बेटे, हमारा भैया आज स्किल इन अ बॉक्स के 4 इयर्स कंप्लीट हुए हैं. हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. इन 4 इयर्स में तुमने अपनी टीम के साथ मिलकर दिन रात मेहनत करी है. तुम्हारा उद्देश्य था कि लोगों के चेहरे पे मुस्कान लाऊं, जिसमें तुम सफल भी हो गए. तो ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहो और लोगों के चेहरों पे मुस्कान बिखेरते रहो. लव यू बेटे.
Hello bete, heartiest congratulations on completion of 4 years of SIB. This has been possible due to your vision, incredible dedication, courage and strong commitment. We are happy to know that you have been bringing smiles to the faces of people in SIB and around SIB. Wishing you and the team SIB all the very best. Keep smiling, keep shining and keep inspiring. All the best, team SIB.
All the best, team SIB.
अच्छा हाँ
guys. Majorly, it was Sir and Ritvik who played a very important part in the survival. Because I think he was taking care of sales, marketing, and raising funds. And then he was the one who was taking care of all by himself, shooting content, taking live sessions, replying to groups, and making sure social media is up, creating content, ideating a lot, everything all together at once. So then Ritvik came and started doing all of these things in the jhat. I remember Ritvik आया था, हम अगले दिन ही Ritvik and I went on our first trip to Chandni Chowk right after that. And I remember वैसे हमने ऋतिक को बोला था इतने सारे किट का सामान लेना है ऐसे करके. अब I didn't had idea कि यार वो रिंग्स वगैरह एम्ब्रॉयडरी रिंग इतना बड़ा गुच्छा होगा और वो इतना सारा सामान फैब्रिक हो जाएगा. तो वो कितना बड़ा लेजेंड झोला था यहाँ तक मेरी हाइट छाती तक जिसको मैं ऐसे जॉब में घूम रहा था. हाँ तो अब उठाने के बीच में क्या हो रहा था, चांदनी चौक भाई वहाँ पे इतने सारे डिजाइनर शोरूम्स हैं एवरीथिंग. अभी बता दूं ऐसे करके अभी वो हेवी सा थैला लेके मैं घूम रहा हूँ और ऋत्विक को हर दूसरी शॉप जहाँ पे बढ़िया चीज दिख रही है ऋत्विक इज गोइंग इनटू इट. मैं ऐसे शॉप के बाहर खड़ा हूँ थैला लेके कि भाई ये क्या हो रहा है. ऐसे एक दो शॉप हो गई तो तीसरी पे ऋत्विक को समझ आ गया कि भाई मैं थोड़ा अभी इरिटेट हो रहा हूँ इस चीज से. तो देन ऋत्विक said that let's go eat something. खस्ता कचौड़ी खाई है कि नहीं. I said अरे ये क्या होता है, मैंने कभी सुना नहीं. अब मुझे नहीं पता था भाई it is called खस्ता कचौड़ी. तो ऋत्विक क्या भाई क्या बुक हो गई. उसमें भी फिर मैं थोड़ा चढ़ गया था ऋत्विक पे कि भाई क्या अनसीरियस आदमी है क्या. ठीक है सॉरी भाई सॉरी. उस समय तक मुझे लग रहा था. फिर then I turned around और देखा ऋत्विक दो हाथ में ऐसे कचौड़ी लेकर भागता हुआ आ रहा है.
ये मेरे लिए है, किसी ने लिखा था, कोई दिल पे ले गया है भाई. Pratik, he thinks he is doing comedy, but half the office is sitting down quietly processing it.
Are you comedy me?
Kanishk, when he says I'll come back and talk to you, even Google Calendar doesn't believe him. Last, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड इससे तो मेरे को प्लीज मिलना है. प्लीज मेरे को बता देना किसने लिखा है भाई. फ्री ऑन मी for the next 30 days. Rishabh, you can't just say कि हाँ मैंने लिखा है. Pratik wants a love marriage, but he's running it like a CEO, hiring a co-founder, 10 years experience, startup mindset, emotional stability, looks, patience, ambition, and still wondering why no one passes the interview. He says कोई मिल ही नहीं रही है, but bro, your eligibility criteria needs a board meeting to approve. I agree. He doesn't want an arranged marriage, he wants a merger of two unicorns. I so agree to this. Who was this, please? I would. It was Asta. अच्छा हाँ